Hej, moje ime je Kaja in prakticiram reiki že 3 leta. V tem videu bi rada predstavila, kaj točno je reiki in dokaze, da reiki deluje. Reiki je japonska alternativna metoda zdravljenja z energijo. Reiki v japonščini pomeni univerzalna življenjska energija. Je oblika holistično energijskega zdravljenja, pri katerem zdravimo telo in duha. Reiki zdravilec uporablja moč namera. Namera je duševna usmerjenost k uresničitvi kakega dejanja v bližnji prihodnosti. Danes vemo, da namera vpliva na naše misli in fizično telo. To so med drugimi dokazali pri poskusih iz kvantne fizike na Univerzi Toronto. Dr. Jessica Utts iz Univerze Kalifornija je že leta 1999 objavila raziskavo, ki je dokazala, da imajo statistično parapsihološki dejavniki večji učinek na zdravljenje kot zdravila. Poleg omenjenih so bile narejene številne študije in eksperimenti, ki zdaj dokazujejo, da alternativna medicina in metoda kot je reiki lahko pomagajo pri zdravljenju bolezni, lajšanju bolečin in izboljšanju počutja. V Ameriki več kot 800 bolnišnic ponuja reiki kot del zdravljenja. Na Centru za interaktivno medicino in prebavo, ki je bil leta 2018 na seznamu najboljših bolnišnic v ZDA, močno priporočajo reiki zdravljenje. Pacientom ga priporočajo kot pomoč pri hitrejšem okrevanju in lajšanju bolečin. Delali so raziskave magnetskega polja reiki zdravilčevih rok med izvajanjem reikija. In frekvenca te energije je bila okoli 7 Hz, kar pomeni, da se ujema frekvenciji Zemlje, ki ima 7,83 Hz. Raziskave tudi pokažejo, da se med izvajanjem reikija zdravi tudi reiki zdravilec. Človek ima elektromagnetna polja konstantno okoli sebe in vsako čustvo ima svojo frekvenco, ki vpliva na našo elektromagnetno polje. Na primer, strah zmanjšuje, ljubezen, mir, sočutje, hvaležnost pa na primer zvišujejo našo elektromagnetno polje. Reiki je dokazano dober za blaženje učinkov stresa, relaksira za dvig imunskega sistema, za pospeševanje krvnega obtoka, za lajšanje bolečin, za boljši spanec, za osebnostno rast, za bolnike demence in Alzheimerjeve bolezni. To so dokazali v raziskavi leta 2006. Spodaj bom dodala link, če koga zanima.
And as energy moves up, it's passing through each one of those spinal nerves. And as it moves up and it enters the fifth center, it's going to go right down your hands. And you are going to feel energy coming out of your hands. You're going to feel this when we do the healing, and your body is getting ready to heal someone. Because the more love you feel, the more you can give energy. And these are the things we use to give with and to do with. Are you with me still? So then once energy makes it here, so many people have said, oh, my head kind of locks back and I feel this kind of intense pleasure in my chest. And then I feel this electricity coming out of my hands. And people with spinal cord injuries to the neck, people with disc herniations in their neck, people with whiplash and all kinds of injuries or severed nerves. It's happened where that energy reconstructs neurological tissue because the faster frequency is being facilitated through the nervous system because they're at a greater level of consciousness. And don't you know, every time you tune into that energy and become conscious of that energy, your nervous system is beginning to facilitate a greater frequency because that's where your attention is. And if you connect with it and stay present with it and surrender to it and experience it, it's going to naturally move. Are you with me still? Come on. So then, as this center becomes active, your sensory receptors, check it out, are not picking up material things with your pressure and 2-point discrimination and temperature. It's picking up an electrical current. It's picking up a frequency that's your hand is actually emitting, and you're paying attention to it, and it's something unknown or unusual. Yes or no? And if you can stay present with it and experience it, the experience is changing your brain so you can perceive more of it the next time it happens. Are you with me still? And so when it comes time to heal, and this center is open, the center of oneness, the center of wholeness, and you can get beyond yourself and connect to that unified field and open your heart and put your attention behind your hands or beyond your hands, if you actually have already been feeling that energy, the moment you put your attention on it, it's going to amplify even more, because what you put your attention on expands. You put your attention on your pain, it gets bigger. Take your attention off it, it goes away. You put your attention on the field, it expands. You take your attention off it, it goes away. Your attention brings things to life.